respect to God. Hallowed be thy name. What does it mean when we pray, hallowed be thy name? Hallowed means sacred, to respect, honor, keep holy, or set apart. How can we show respect or hallow God's name? As Christians, we profess that we follow Christ. So when we petition God through prayer, we are asking God to empower us so that what we think, say, and do bring honor and glory to His holy name. In Matthew chapter 5 verse 16, we are admonished, "Let your light so shine before men, that they may see your good works and glorify your Father which is in heaven." In essence then, the light that we reflect as we interact with others is a testament of our witness in hallowing or showing respect to God's name. May we endeavor to hallow God's name as long as we have breath. Be blessed to be a blessing.
The Devotional Connect S.O.A.R Challenge, in collaboration with Let's Talk Bible. Stop overthinking and rise. #Walking in Answered Prayer.